Hey everyone and welcome back. Okay, let's have a look. Great, now it's your turn to write the words using the correct spelling. Oh, yes, right. Have you remembered it, guys? Let's just remind ourselves while I'm finding the pencil. Let's do the one for said first. See if you can remember that mnemonic, that sentence that will help us spell it. Okay, I've got my pencil ready. So, can you tell me it now? Okay. Sally Ann is dancing. Yes. Okay. Sally. So that means it must be Sally Ann. So that means it must be an A because Ann begins with A. Sally Ann is. Must be an I because is begins with an I. Sally Ann is dancing. D. A D. Yes. Woohoo, I've done it. Okay, next one is because. Can you tell me the mnemonic, the little sentence that will help you remember how to spell the word because? Well done if you said big elephants can always understand small elephants. Big elephants can always understand small elephants. There's 7 there. Right, let's see if I can remember that as I write it. Big. But elephants begins with an E. Can begins with a K. Always begins with an A. It sounds a little bit trickier. Always understand small elephants. Yes. Because. Brilliant. Right. We've done it, Rex. Okay. Great job. Now it's your turn. Practice writing said and because using the mnemonic we have learned. Okay, so pause the video now. You have got to write the word said using the mnemonic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So that means that you have got to write said 18 times and because 18 times and make sure that you get it correct because it's very easy to get these ones incorrect. Pause the video now. Brilliant job, guys. Okay. Right. Miss Coleman will show you how to write a sentence with one of the words for today. Okay. Ooh, which one I'm going to choose? I might choose said or because. Said or because? I think I'm going to choose because. Because. Okay. Ooh, hello. Because big elephants can always understand small elephants. Okay. Yesterday I had to. Yesterday I know, yesterday, when I went to the park, I had to run home quickly. Or when I arrived at the park, I had to run home very quickly because it began to pour with rain. So when I went to the park, when I, that's a very tall I, went to the, I said when I arrived at the park, didn't I? When I arrived. Hello. Rub out, please. Okay. When I, it gives me a chance to do a smaller I there. Arrived, that's when I just got there. Arrived. arrived. Double R in arrived. When I arrived at the park, comma, because that's the beginning of my sentence. When I arrived at the park, comma, I had to run home again quickly because it began to pour with rain. I had to run home again. I'm saying again because it's where I came from in the first place. I know I didn't say that, but it needs to be said because then people know you were at your house in the first place. I had to run home again quickly. I don't know where that's going. Quickly, because big elephants can always understand small elephants. Quickly, because it began. Be, the word be, and then gan. Began is, because it began to pour. That means not just a little bit of rain, really heavy rain. Pour with rain. There was not a cat there. Full stop. Yay, I love my sentence. So when I arrived at the park, that's my starting. That is my time conjunction. Or actually, it's not a time conjunction, but it's something clause. Anyway, let's highlight my because. I didn't put an adjective in, so I need to add one in. When I arrived at the park, I had to run home again quickly because it began to pour with park. When I arrived at the park, at the local park, that means the one that's near to me. Right. Been quite long today, haven't we? Right, here's yours to have a go at. Pause the video now and have a go at that one. Great job, guys. See you tomorrow.